Well, good afternoon, everybody. David Paul with you. We are live in the KHOU 11 Weather Center. Winter storm warning is in effect for all of Houston and southeast Texas, and the leading edge of the winter storm has arrived. Now, we've got cold rain in the Galleria area, downtown, and into the east side, Baytown down to Galveston. But we've got sleet and snow now in northwest Harris County, Jersey Village to Katy, and northwest of that, where temperatures are beginning to drop down to the freezing level. And so some of this stuff, the sleet and snow out there, is going to begin to stick. And it may very well start right now icing up some of the bridges and overpasses in our northwest counties. Here are current temperatures. Katy's below freezing by 2 degrees. You're at 30. Tomball's at freezing, 32. Conroe, 31. So let's see, Palacios, Ocampo, Katy, Tomball, Conroe. Well, Cleveland's in there too. So your freeze line is right in here. Your northwest counties now all at or below freezing. So whatever's falling is sleet, snow, and it's going to begin to stick, and it is going to begin to impact traffic big time on the roadways starting right now. If you know you've got family traveling, you've got kids traveling out there on the roads in the northwest side, they need to know that these bridges, even the ones that have been treated, could ice up in a hurry, especially as you get further northwest into Waller County, out toward Katy and west of Katy to Sealy on I-10, 249 up to Tomball and Magnolia is going to begin to see ice on spots. Hardy Toll Road, I-45 Spring northward, you'll begin to see the ice build up there. But you can see what's happening. We've got cold rain in downtown, and then here's patchy rain, drizzle, Cloverleaf to Magnolia and Baytown. But boy, just to the north and west, it's basically the 59 corridor. Northwest is where we're beginning to see the frozen stuff come down. And the algorithm with the radar thinks this is snow, and I've got reports of snowflakes out here, Katy to Cypress, mixing with sleet, little frozen raindrops. And closer to that, freezing rain is likely here on the northwest side of Beltway 8 out there 290. So folks on the northwest side, heads up, driving on the roads, especially the bridges and overpasses first, is going to begin to get dangerous starting right now and through the overnight into tomorrow as the storm really gets going. This is just the leading edge. Here's the bigger picture of southeast Texas. There's a little bit of snow, Waller County. Brenham, a little bit of snow for you, very, very light. Most of this is falling very, very light. But as we've seen for the past couple of days, all it takes is a very light freezing drizzle and sleet to cause major accidents on the roads. We had that in Dallas a couple of mornings ago. We had that yesterday in Austin as well on Highway 183. Had to shut down a section of that there. And so this is just the beginning of our roads getting icy and very difficult to travel in northwest counties. There's your light freezing rain, sleet, and snow as you get out toward Waller County. Looking at the bigger picture, here's the state of Texas. So here's your parent storm. San Angelo getting moderate snow, Lubbock's had moderate snow. That will just increase in scope and scale as it moves toward us. You can see the moisture now coming off the Gulf of Mexico. So as these two hook up, it's going to create a very wet scenario and a very cold atmosphere, and when we may have several inches of snow, especially getting going late tonight, 10, 11, midnight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m. I think that's when the worst of the storm rolls in as far as the heaviest precip. Let's take a look at the computer model. So here we are going into 6 p.m. tonight, and the computer still has it as liquid rain from downtown to the southeast, but you can see just northwest of downtown, it's all sleet, freezing rain, and a band of snow. Brenham to College Station by 6 o'clock this evening. Take you into 1:30 a.m. Sleet, freezing rain line reaches just about to the coast and back to Katy, Tomball, Woodlands, and then west of that, it's all snow. That may be very heavy as we get toward 1:30 a.m. Columbus, Brenham, College Station. What a night we're about to have, huh? And then by 7 in the morning, it's all snow. And that may be heavy snow. Tomball to downtown Houston to Hobby and Pearland, Baytown, Anahuac Mall, Bellevue, Winnie, Crystal Beach, Galveston, Angleton. Even Galveston and the beaches are going to get some snow as we head toward sunrise tomorrow morning. And then take a look. This storm may exit very quickly, and by noon we may be completely done with all the winter precipitation. But you see this northwest wind, that is going to be bringing in bitter, bitter cold temperatures, the likes of which we haven't seen in 100 years or more. Here's the snow forecast. This is by tomorrow afternoon. 4.5 inches in downtown Houston. Hobby, 5 inches of snow. Sugarland could see 4 inches of snow. An inch on the beaches in Galveston. Pearland, you may see 4 to 5 inches of snow. It's just amazing. It's almost difficult to get your head around what we think is about to happen here. 6 inches of snow out in Industry in Austin County. Good afternoon, Industry folks out there. Go over to the Lindemann store and get me a soda. Huntsville may see 7 inches of snow. Just an amazing forecast. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. But the best place, the only place to be is home, in a safe place and off the roads. We're not used to driving in this. You know the deal. You know the deal. Just stay off the roads if you absolutely can. Temperatures. This is really, I think, maybe one of the more dangerous parts of this storm. So this is by Monday morning. Heavy snow and 16 degrees in Victoria, 18 degrees in Houston. Lufkin 16 degrees with heavy snow. That's at sunrise. We might make it to 15 degrees Monday afternoon and evening. Austin 14, Dallas 7. Our all-time record low high temperature is 20 in Houston. That's going to be in jeopardy. And then models are forecasting 4 degrees in Houston Tuesday morning at 6:30 a.m. There'll be snow all over the ground, cold northwest wind, 4 degrees. So Houston's all-time record low is 5 degrees, set in 1930. The coldest temperature ever recorded at Bush Intercontinental Airport, since it was built in like around 1969, 1970, is 7 degrees. So that forecast would be below both of those. This would be the all-time low temperature that we've ever recorded since humans were keeping records here in the Houston area, going back about 130 years. Accurate records. So that's what we're facing. One more time, let's go over the timeline. We'll back it up and I'll show you what's going on right now. I'm going to walk through the forecast once again. The radar showing freezing rain, sleet, and snow northwest Harris County now. From 290 in the 610 loop out to the Beltway and out to Cypress. It looks like it's all freezing rain, sleet now. I'm getting reports of some snowflakes mixing in. This means the high flyovers on the Beltway are going to begin to be threatened to ice up. The bridges and overpasses on 290, going out I-10 to Katy. It's ice threat there. I-45 from Aldine to Spring and northward, ice threat there. This is happening right now. The 99 connector, northwest Harris County, all those flyover bridges are threatened right now to drop below freezing, and what's falling could stick and freeze and cause ice on those bridges and making it very dangerous. So if you know someone who's out there and you can contact them safely, do it and tell them it's time to get in. Bring it on home, get to a safe place, get off the roads, because we saw stuff like this cause major accidents in Dallas and Austin the past several days. Once again, big picture. Texas, there's our parent storm coming our way for tonight. You can see all the moisture coming up off the Gulf. Moisture values are in the 99 percentile for this time of the year. It means we're going to get heavy snow. Whatever falls is going to be heavy. This is tonight at 6 o'clock. Sleet, freezing rain, northwest side. Cold rain, Houston to the coast. This is 1:30 in the morning. North wind at 30. Sleet and snow. Snow. Monday, 7 a.m. All snow, heavy. And then exiting by noon. And then just a bitter cold wind on snow-covered ground. That should be something to see. And then snow totals, just amazing. Now we're forecasting maybe 4 inches of snow or more right in the heart of the Houston area. So stay off the road, stay home, stay safe, and stay with us. We'll continue to keep you updated as we move through the evening, overnight, and into tomorrow morning. We'll see you for another update, probably within the hour right here.